In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your active and inactive employees. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Employees. You should arrive at a list of your current employees. Who you will see automatically are the employees that are active. These are employees that are currently working for you. If you want to see your inactive employees also, click the Show Inactive box in the upper right-hand corner. Now my inactive employees have been added. These are employees who have been terminated for one reason or another. If you look, the employee Door Dave has been added. He is currently an inactive employee. In this chart, I can see my employees' names, their username, their external ID, the crew that they are assigned to, whether or not they are an international student. That is a custom field that I created. So you won't have that unless you create it using your custom fields option. And the status, whether that employee is active or inactive. That's how you can view your employees. Check out the next video to learn how to add an employee.